Hello friends, welcome back to my class, that is concept by Pandey sir. Friends, we are dealing about a topic called projections of points. So this topic is basic for points as well as lines. So in the previous class we have discussed the basic concept of this. So please go back to my previous class and know the basic concepts of projections of points as well as lines. So to go a jam of this projection of points, like just a minute of a projection of points, here is the concept. So this is my first quadrant, this is my second quadrant, this is my third quadrant, and this is my fourth quadrant. We know very well. So what you have to remember is in first quadrant the front view is always above xy line and top view is below xy line. This is what you have to remember always. This works for projection of points as well as projection of lines. So in the first quadrant is front view is above xy line, or front view is above reference line, and top view is below reference line. This is valid only in first quadrant, right? Now come to second quadrant. In second quadrant, front view as well as top view both are above xy line. Both are above xy line, or the front view and top view are above the reference line. Now come to the third quadrant. In third quadrant, front view is below xy line, or front view is below the reference line, below xy line, and top view is above xy line or above reference line. That is in the case of third quadrant. Let us see in the fourth quadrant. This is my fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, this front view is below xy line, whereas even the top view is below xy line. So in fourth quadrant, the front and top view are below xy line. So if you look it and observe it, you will find that this first quadrant and third quadrant are opposite to each other. In first quadrant, front view is above and top view is below. In third quadrant, top view is above and front view is below. So there is a quite opposite. And similarly, you can see the third quadrant and fourth quadrant. When in this third quadrant and fourth quadrant, they are opposite to each other. Okay, so in third quadrant, top view is above the front view, and here top view is below the front view. They are opposite. Now in these projections of lines, in the projections of line, we always project in first quadrant. So all the problem what you have to do will be projected only in first quadrant. So how to project a point or line, that will be discussing in the upcoming classes. So stay tuned for my next class, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Any doubt you can comment it. Thank you.